can you tell me how did you feel about the course? So what was your expectation? So has it met your expectation? What is that adding will make it even more better? So can you just tell me about these?
Yeah. To start with, since I'm very new to options and
Yeah.
I don't know any much about options, the clarity what you provided before options, it was most of the things was on the mindset part. So
Correct.
I like that one very much. So that gave me an idea like, okay, if mindset is good, then we can go ahead with the option trading also.
Definitely.
It has met my expectation.
Okay.
Whatever I wanted, like basics of whatever was required, I just had a wonderful experience of that.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, I am very thankful for choosing me for this course. In fact,
Yeah.
at the very beginning, I should have told that, but of late.
No, that's okay. No
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, okay.
So, what is that additional thing, or what do you think was missing in this course, which would have made this even more better?
Uh, well, I don't know what to tell on that one.
Okay.
Frankly, I don't know what to tell.
Okay. So, since you are new to trading, probably you might not be able to tell that. But
Yeah.
yes, whenever you feel that there is something, you can
Yes.
definitely share it in my Telegram or WhatsApp group. So, I
Okay.
definitely keep on improvising this course as and when
Sure.
required. Okay.
Okay.
So
In
now,
fact, I attended your first class. I remember some 2 3 years back, somewhere in some Quest offices, you conducted some training introductory course also. I think that was some technical analysis, something like that. So
okay.
that is the first time where I saw you.
Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, probably that was when I started training. So now I am not doing any physical classes. Everything is being done online.
Okay.
Okay. So now, as you told that you have around 20 lakhs, you can start with the butterfly strategy, which is discussed in the course. So
Okay.
the capital required for that will be approximately 2 to 2.5 lakh. Okay.
Okay.
Since you
Okay.
have a mutual fund worth 15 to 20 lakhs, you can get a margin benefit. So your first
Okay.
action item should be to get margin from the mutual fund investment which you have. Because I don't
Okay.
want you to get fresh investment into this market, because you
Okay.
already have investment, use the existing one. Don't
Okay.
get any fresh investment. So
Okay.
whether you want to continue in that NJ or whatever you told me, or do you want
Mhm.
to do it in upstock, it's up to you. Okay.
Okay.
So you
Uh-huh.
can take a call regarding that. Or if
Mhm.
you want all the benefit, even I am a sub franchisee of India Infoline. So
IFL.
if you want, you can
Okay.
even open an account with me.
Okay.
So as
Okay.
I told you, when my students and my clients, there is no charges of anything for
Okay.
these people, and there's a lot of benefits in terms of brokerage, in terms of margin, in terms of terminal. So that's
Okay.
what, when I am associated with the broker, you can blindly believe, because I there are a lot of things how I know how brokers cheat clients.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Let me not get into all those things now, because it
Mhm.
will take time. But when I sit with the broker and when we negotiate, they can't
Mhm.
do those things with our clients. Okay.
Okay.
So you can
Okay.
be assured that whatever services you get will be 100% clean from the when you are under my franchise. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
whenever
Yeah.
I change my franchisee, I will be first intimating my students, because I'm
Okay.
not
Uh-huh.
in the India Infoline. Currently, I'm with India Infoline, but that doesn't mean
Okay.
that I'll be with India Infoline. Tomorrow, if there is any other broker who gives me a better feature, I'll jump to that. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, you can think about this. And
Okay.
your first action item is to make use of the margin by using
Okay.
this as collateral. Okay. So
Okay.
once you get the collateral benefit, start implementing the butterfly strategy, which is there in the course.
Of course. Yeah.
Start
Okay.
implementing it, and I want you to implement it continuously in weekly options for 8 weeks. Okay.
Okay.
So do
Okay.
you know about weekly options, monthly options, how they work?
No, I what I know is like weekly option is every Thursday is the expiry, and every month last
Correct.
Thursday is the monthly
Correct.
expiry.
Correct. Correct.
Uh,
Yeah. No,
that's
since
what
you
I
were trading in futures, you don't have weekly expiry contracts.
correct. Yeah,
It's
only
only
monthly.
in options which you have.
Yeah.
So that's why I just wanted to make sure. So execute this butterfly strategy in weekly options for the next 8 weeks consecutively. Okay.
Okay.
Once you do
Okay.
that, once you do this, and butterfly strategies are risk defined. So yes, you might end in a loss also. I don't know. Okay, but the probability is very less when you are doing this risk defined strategies. The probability of you ending, I have designed this course for people who are new to stock market, who are new to options trading, okay, who want to venture into options trading. So you can blindly execute this, but what I would suggest is, before you execute any of the trades, you can write down the trades in an Excel or in Notepad or wherever, and just share me a screenshot in my Telegram group or in my Facebook group or wherever. I will give you my feedback on the strikes, on the prices, what you have selected. Probably, I mean, it's just one level of what do you say, my feedback on the trades, what you're going to take. Okay, once you take that, probably after that, you can go ahead and execute those strategies. So start with butterfly and do this continuously. And once you are good at it, probably you can then improvise your and move into new strategies. And always stay away from stock options, because stock options are really dangerous. Okay, stick to Nifty and Bank Nifty itself for now. Okay, once probably 1 year or 2 year down the line, once you get a good hands on, probably you can move to stock options. Okay. So this was what I wanted to tell you. Since you are new, so I don't have much to tell you. So these are the action items which you can just get started with. Okay. And so before I close, what was that aha moment you had when watching this course?
See, there are two things. What actually I wanted to, which the feedback which I wanted to give. The first thing, in every course you are telling, never buy cheap, never buy cheap. So that is where something which deeply sitting in my mind. So
Correct.
It's almost been last 1
cheap
week.
never works. See, you know, Reliance Jio came and gave everything for free. Now you know what they have done. Okay. So there is no free lunch in this world. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, so and don't be cheap. See, when you are an entrepreneur, I don't know whether you want to be an entrepreneur or you want to continue in your job profile, what you're doing.
Okay.
But when you are thinking from an entrepreneur point of view, you don't go for cheap and free stuff. You always think about investment and getting out the return from the investment.
Correct.
That should be the right mindset which you should have. Okay.
That's what I told in your video also.
Exactly. So,
the other thing is, I did not know that we can trade in options by using collateral also. I was just because in the first course and the last part is there, no? Like your diamond and gold membership, that 30 minutes video. So I was thinking, like you told, like for diamond membership, at least minimum capital of 10 lakhs is required. So I was just thinking how to arrange that much capital, and so this is the collateral one is the one which made me to think, okay,
yeah, that's good enough to get started.
Yeah, that's the one good thing. That is one of the aha moments for me.
Yeah, yeah, that is a good thing. So no, even when if I have clients who come with hard cash, I don't suggest them to do trade in hard cash. I'll suggest them to invest in either liquid Bs or ETFs, Bharat bond, mutual funds, or whatever, and we use that as collateral. Before, I used to encourage them to use even fixed deposit as collateral, but that has some advantages and disadvantages. So nowadays, I don't suggest fixed deposit as collateral.
Okay. Actually, I have two questions. Like you said, we can make use of this collateral. Like when we pledge it, see, we have this weekly expiry and monthly expiry. Suppose this pledging what is the duration of this pledging? Like for how many days we can pledge?
It's a lifetime. It's nothing like, see, it is like you mortgaging your gold. Okay. So you have a gold. If you want money, you go give it to a gold company. They will give you money on that gold. Okay. But they charge an interest on that. But the best part of this is there is no interest charged.
Okay. So suppose if I enter any loss,
exactly. So they will be sparing off that position. So you will have to pay that loss, whatever you incur.
They will if not, spare of the units. Is it like that?
Exactly. They'll be squaring off they'll be selling your mutual fund units.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then, okay, this is the one question I just wanted to ask.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
That's
So
okay.
you all the best for you for your trading career.
Okay.
So
Okay.
whenever you have any doubt, you can just post it in the Telegram and WhatsApp group. So we'll definitely get
Okay.
back to you. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you for your
Okay.
time.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks,
See you.